Okay, you guys, so help me pack my bag. That's basically what I'm going to do. So, like I said, we have 2 weddings this weekend. I'm going to start using my Kamrette this weekend. So, when I lay it flat, it does lay really nice and flat. Like, yeah, it's really great. Let's slide that out of the way, move my card reader. Okay, so 2 R5s are going to go in priority. I already started to play around with the inserts. They're Velcroed, so you can like adjust to whatever you want. So I'm gonna put one at the top. Oh, always make sure your screens are flipped in just to protect them, okay? So there's one. Let's do 2 over here. They're side by side. All right, I'm gonna start with my biggest lens. Now I will say on a wedding day, I don't start the day with a 70 to 200, but there will be a 72 in here like midday tomorrow, right before ceremony. So I have the ability to grab it and use it if needed. But I always start the day with a 28 to 70. That's gonna go right in the middle, glass up, not down. So if the bag is sitting on the ground, the glass is up. My favorite lens, my 15 millimeter, glass up again. I'm gonna put that towards the bottom. Okay, my 100 millimeter, I'm going to start the day with this. I end up ditching it for the 70 to 200. Sometimes I pull it out for ceremony or reception details, but other than that, not really. I use it a lot on the front of the day with bride details. So again, glass up. It's going to go over on this side on the right. I think that's where I want it. Yeah, beautiful. And then I put batteries and extra memory card cases wherever they are. Oh, they're over on the bed. But here's 2. I'm going to put them in the bottom, okay? And like I said, timelines are going to go in here on the back side. So before I close it up, guys, there it is. There is my packed bag. So I'm going to zip it up, put this bad boy up. It's all packed and ready. I got to print my timelines. And it feels really great. So guys, wish us luck this weekend. I hope you have an awesome wedding weekend yourself. And check back next week for more videos. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much.